Hi, my name is Jared Appel. Welcome to the Arrow Workshop. Today, I'm going to show you how to repair the downspout on your gutters by using your Arrow Rivet tool. Gutter repair can be intimidating, but Arrow's rivet tools make it an easy, fun project that you could do yourself. Arrow Fastener is located in New Jersey, so we decided to take this demonstration inside where the temperature is above freezing. This project can be done with any of Arrow's rivet tools, but today we'll be using the new Arrow RT188M one-handed riveter. First step, make sure all of the old rivets are removed from the gutter. You can drill into the rivets to remove them if needed. Then you can slide the new gutter into place and drill holes for your rivets. Make sure they are lined up properly. We pre-drilled ours for convenience. This tool has different sized nose pieces that are color-coded to the rivet size. We recommend using 1/8 inch aluminum rivets for most gutter work. Insert the mandrel into the tool, then put the rivet head into the hole. Squeeze the handle. You should feel some resistance. You may need to squeeze a few times until the mandrel pops off. You will be left with a nice clean rivet that holds the gutter in place. Repeat this for the other side of the gutter and any other remaining holes. Thanks for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. For written instructions on this project and more, please visit arrowfastener.com/projects.